Okay, so we'll start now somehow about electrochemistry. Okay, electrochemistry. Okay, electrochemistry. Electrochemistry. Okay, we'll somehow right now we'll learn somehow electrochemistry. Okay, so that is the anodic and cathodic reaction. You know that this is the anodic and cathodic reaction. This is the bulb being occur. Okay, this is the bulb. Okay, maintenance of the anodic. Okay, this is the anode reaction, and this is the cathodic reaction. Okay, this is the cathodic anodic reaction, and this is the cathodic reaction. Okay, so next that anodic reaction, that will be the half cell reaction. Okay, half cell reaction, that will be the anodic reaction. Okay, that will be the anodic reaction. Okay, it's the anodic reaction, half cell reaction, and that will be the anodic reaction. Okay, E naught value, and that will be the E naught cell value. E naught cell value is okay, E naught cell value is less. Okay, E naught cell value is very less. Okay, E naught cell value is very less. Okay, that will be the half for the half cell reaction. And the next cathodic reaction. Okay, next will be the next will be the cathodic reaction. Okay, anodic reaction, and that will be the cathodic reaction. That will be the E naught cell value. E naught cell value is okay, E naught cell value is very high. Okay, E naught cell value is very high. That is the point. E naught cell value is very high. Okay, E naught cell value is very high for the cathodic reaction. E naught cell value is very high for the cathodic reaction. Okay, like how to find the EMF of the cell? E naught cell equal to what is the reaction? E naught of cathode. Okay, E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. Okay, E naught of anode. Okay, E naught of cathode, E naught of anode. Okay, that is the EMF counting value. So, and the value always for the E naught cathode. Okay, E naught anode. Okay, E naught anode value, E naught anode. Okay, like E naught anode value, E naught anode value is negative, and E naught cathode also taken as negative. Okay, it cannot be positive. E naught cathode value is negative. That means it cannot be positive by any condition. It cannot be positive. It always become negative. E naught anode value and E naught cathode value. Okay, that is the point. If it is become value is given positive, then also you have to take the negative. Okay, negative value you have to take. That is the point. Okay, and another one is the concentration cell that has been found. Okay, concentration cell. That means the same element at anode and cathode. Okay, that is become the same element at anode at cathode. Okay, same element at anode and cathode. That will be the concentration. Like okay, H2, like okay, the H plus, like H plus. Okay, H2. Okay, this is the anodic part, and this is the cathodic part, but the same element. Okay, this is the same element. Okay, anode also same, and also the cathode same. That is the concentration same. So that will be the anode cell value is also become the 0. Okay, anode cell value is also 0. So next we'll move to the Nernst equation. Okay, any Nernst equation. Okay, the Nernst equation, what cell is that? Will be the E cell equal to anode cell minus 0.0591 upon of n into log of product ions concentration upon reactant upon concentration. That will be a Nernst equation, that is finding out of EMF of any particular half cell or the full cell reaction, and that will be standard anode cell reaction, and n is become the number of electron that will be the transfer from one electron to the another electron, from anode to cathode, okay, to balance the particular reaction. That is the Nernst equation. So like anode cell value, how we will convert? Anode cell value is also